Nearly half of all adults in the U.S. suffer from hypertension, with many taking medication for their hypertension. Hypertension is associated with greater risk for heart disease and stroke, which are the leading causes of death in the U.S. Blood pressure naturally rises and falls throughout the day, and a single reading during a doctor's visit may not give a clear picture of a patient's health status. In a clinical trial to assess the effectiveness of a medication designed to lower blood pressure readings are taken at most once a day and many times less often. The Biobeat wrist monitor is worn like a watch and captures 12 real-time cardiopulmonary vital signs, including continuous blood pressure, oxygen saturation, respiratory rate, and pulse rate. In a clinical trial, the wrist monitor can continuously record blood pressure while the patient is conducting their usual activities. This means that a patient's natural variation in blood pressure will be recorded, plus any extreme highs or lows generally missed with occasional readings. This enables a Medidata sensor cloud clinical trial to collect continuous blood pressure data from anywhere, resulting in significantly more data on the patient's health and improved understanding of the effects of the medication being investigated in the clinical trial. The Biobeat wrist monitor data is tightly integrated with Medidata's sensor cloud, a powerful data ingestion engine that supports continuous patient data collection from a growing array of medical-grade sensors. This innovation will improve patient experience and simplify clinical trial data collection and analysis. Sensor Cloud ingests both raw data as well as metrics directly from the device provider. This data is stored in its native form and is transformed to a common model used for a wide variety of analytics and visualizations. Medidata can combine objective sensor data with a patient's clinical and subjective self-reported observations for a true representation of the patient's real-world experience and quality of life. Medidata's approach is the first of its kind and is uniquely positioned to help develop greater clinical insights that can deliver new therapies. Sensor Cloud presents an innovative opportunity to virtualize clinical trials and digitize the human body as a step towards our long-term vision of a digital twin in healthcare.